Hey y'all, it's Nomadic Shaman here. Thank you so much for visiting my page. Today's video, I want to talk about triggers. Okay. Now before I get into that, let me read y'all what I found. I'm reading off my phone, y'all. Excuse me. Okay. So, physical pain is a vital survival mechanism acting as an alarm system designed by the nervous system to protect the body from damage, infection, or disease. It arises when nerve receptors detect harm, such as injuries, inflammation, or illness, and send danger signals to the brain, which interprets them as pain to initiate healing. Y'all, triggers are the same thing. Triggers are the same thing. So the reason why I'm saying that is triggers are unavoidable. It's bound to happen and it needs to happen, especially if you are going to be on the road of healing. Okay. So in that sense is how do you know if you need healing? How do you become aware that you need healing if you're not triggered? Okay, triggered by a comment, triggered by somebody's actions, triggered by what somebody did. Now, beforehand, well, I'll speak for myself. Whenever I am triggered, I definitely respond differently now than I did beforehand. Beforehand, I did very little talking and I was more physical. I'll just put it like that. Now I become more reflective. And I'm going to say, not now, I've been doing this for a while, where I become more reflective. And I ask myself, what triggered me? Why did that trigger me? What specifically was done that triggered me? How does that relate to what I've experienced in the past? And then it's like ding, 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 ding. That's the root cause, usually tied or connected to something that I've witnessed or observed in the past, which is why I was triggered by this present moment. Okay, so don't be scared of triggers. Use it as an opportunity to become reflective, self reflective on, ouch, that still hurts. Y'all, even when you get angry, underneath the anger is ouch, that still hurts. So that provides you an opportunity to tap into that, to see what still hurts, why it still hurts, so that you become, or you, number one, you're more aware and you can get on the road, get on a good foot. You can get on the good foot of healing so that when or if something were happen, when or if something were to happen that's similar to that, that reminds you of something, of a negative experience in the past, you're on the road of recovery because now it no longer hurts as much as it did. And you are now equipped with the tools to overcome it, the knowledge, the resources to overcome it. Okay. And when you're on this path of healing, this also activates memory recall so that you are on the road of living out your highest potential. It's all about healing and awareness, guys. So with that, that wraps up my video. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.